First, download the Epson Resetter. If your antivirus flags the file, temporarily disable it. Extract the Epson Resetter software using WinRAR. Open AddJProg. Click the Select button, choose your printer model. Select the correct printer port, then click OK. Open Particular Adjustment mode. Select Waste Ink Pad Counter. Check the Main Pad Counter option, click the Check button. Select Main Pad Counter again, click the Initialize button, click OK to continue. Wait for the initialization process to complete. When prompted, turn off your printer, then click OK. Click the Finish button. Finally, close the program. Your Epson printer has now been successfully reset. Enjoy.